So moving on from there, the first item on the agenda is the declaration of the Mayor. So Mr Mayor, I have a proceeding here for you, which I'll ask you to read out, please.
Thank you. I, David James Joseph Trewavas, declare that I will faithfully, impartially, and according to the best of my skill and judgment, execute and perform in the best interests of the Taupo District the powers, authorities and duties vested in or imposed upon me as Mayor of the Taupo District Council by virtue of the Local Government Act 2002, the Local Government Official Information and Meetings Act 1987 or any other act. Those duties include the requirements under clauses 15(4) and 16 of the 7th Schedule of the Local Government Act 2002 to comply with the Taupo District Council Code of Conduct and the Taupo District Council Standing Orders.
Okay, so I'll ask you to sign the form.
Sign that.
Well done.
Very good.
Now that we have a Mayor, I shall exit the chair and pass over to the Mayor.
Thank you very much, Mr Green. An absolute pleasure to be here, and good morning, everyone, especially incoming councillors and members of the public. I'd like to welcome everyone in. Hopefully you can hear, and the councillors will have their microphones on, but nice to see a full house. I'd like to particularly thank my nominators, Mr Ken Bleakley and Mr Glyn Poynton. I see Ken there. I don't know if Mr Poynton's here, but for nominating me for this prestigious role, and I'm very honoured to receive the role. Especially like to thank my wife Anna and my family who's in the audience today for their hard work over the last 3 years, and especially during the campaign period, and especially members of my campaign team and supporters there this morning. Fantastic to see you guys, and indeed all the partners and supporters of other candidates as well. The last 3 years have been, we've been in a rebuild phase, and I'm pleased to report that all the indicators are going the right way. My vision is to make this place an even better than what it is today, and I believe that I've received a good mandate from the community and the elections to carry on that work and to make this place an even better place to live. We've got a lot of challenges coming up. We've got long-term plans to do, and the councillors, incoming councillors' wishes and aspirations will be received during that phase. So please, it will be a great opportunity to participate in. Please, councillors, I certainly welcome the new councillors, Councillor Rankin coming in and Councillor Kingi. Great to have you guys on board, and good to see the returning councillors here. The councillors, I believe, we must work as a team. We're not going to always agree, but I think we need to show a bit of decency to each other, and once we've agreed on going forward, we'll show that mutual respect and the common courtesies I expect around the council table, all the stuff that your mum and dad taught you. So I'd like to carry on that nice way of doing business. So please, I urge you to do that, and also have a bit of fun and enjoy the process. You've been put in by the people to make good decisions on the best information available, and I'm sure you'll do that great justice. So now that you'll all get sworn in, thank you very much everyone for coming, and we look forward to a wonderful 3 years ahead. Especially my thanks to the staff here who are wonderful through this organisation, and all the members of the public here today. So thank you, Mr Green, and obviously you're a fairly new chief executive, which you fitted in very well, and I think you're doing a fantastic job. So I'm sure we'll carry on in a good, positive way.